Dear students, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 3, playing with number, exercise 3.6. Now question number 2, what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? The first one is HCF of two consecutive numbers. Numbers are, if we take two consecutive numbers, the numbers are 2 3, 4 5, 5 6. These are the consecutive number and HCF of them. There are no any common factor. If we take 15 16, there are no any common factor. So if there are no any common factor, the HCF is 1. If there are no any common factor, then HCF is 1. There are no any common factors, so HCF is equal to 1. Now taking part B, two consecutive even number. HCF of two consecutive even numbers. The numbers are 2 4, 4 6, 16 18. These are the numbers. If we taking 2, the factors are 2 into 1, 4, the prime factors are 2 and 2, then HCF is 2. If we take 4, 2 into 2, 6, 2 into 3, the HCF is 2. If we take 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, if we take 18, 2 into 3 into 3, the HCF is 2. So in even numbers, the common factor is 2, so HCF is equal to 2. The HCF is 2 for all consecutive even numbers. Now taking part C, HCF of two consecutive odd numbers. Let example, numbers are 3 5, 5 7. Let number is 15 17. These are the numbers. In 3 and 5, there are no common factor because these are the prime number. 70 is a prime number. If we attending the HCF of prime number, the HCF will be 1. There are no any common factor, so HCF is equal to 1. This is our question number 2. The third one, HCF of co-prime number 4 and 15. prime factors of 4 is 2 into 2. Prime factors of 15, 3 into 5. 4 is 2 into 2, 15 is 3 into 5. There are no any common factors, so HCF is 1. So always the HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. There are no any common factor, so HCF is equal to 1. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next topic. Now our next topic is LCM. LCM is known as lowest common multiple or least common multiple. The definition of LCM: the lowest common multiple of two or more given number is the least or smallest of their common multiples. First of all, what is the multiple? Multiple is a table. Now there are, for example, there are, if given two numbers, then we write down their table for multiple and we select the smallest common multiple of their columns. For example, find LCM of 4 and 9. So multiple of 4, multiples of 4, this is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Now multiples of 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 and so on. I write down multiples of 4 and multiples of 9. Then the smallest common multiple, 9 is not here, 18 is not here, 27 is not here, 36. This is common. So smallest common multiple is 36, so LCM is 36. This is first method for finding LCM. Now I am taking method second. This is our method first, method second. By factor method, prime factors of 4 is 2 into 2, prime factors of 9, 3 into 3. Now taking factors of 4 and 9 means LCM of 4 and 9. First of all, we will take common factors. There are no any common factors, so this will be 1. First of all, we select the common factor. There are no any common factor. Then now we will attend the single factor, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, single 2, 2, 3, 3. Now what is the solution? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 3 36. The LCM is 36. we can solve by method. Third, write down 4 and 9. Now we will divide by prime numbers. First of all, we can divide by 2. 2 times we cannot divide, leave the number. Then we can divide by 2. This is 1, cannot divide, this is 9. Now dividing by 3, cannot divide, 1, divide 3 times. Now 3, this is 1 and 1. If we get 1 1, the LCM is done. So LCM of 4 and 9 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The answer is 36. 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Answer is 36. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our exercise. Now in our exercise 3.7, question number first. Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizer. Weight is 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight. Find a maximum value of weight means x, which can measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of time. By x, we can measure the weight of 75 kg and 69 kg. The x will exactly divide these numbers. There are no any remainder. The remainder will be 0. When we dividing, the remainder will be 0. Find the value of x. X is a number which can divide both, and the number is maximum. Find the value of x which is maximum. This is a problem of HCF. How to find? This is a problem of HCF. Shortcut for remember HCF, highest common factor. What is highest? Highest means maximum. LCM, least common factor, or lowest common factor. What is lowest? Lowest is minimum. When we find a word called maximum, then we will find HCF. In the question, if there are word is minimum, find LCM. This is shortcut. This is shortcut for attending the question in this exercise. So here is the word maximum. Maximum says find HCF. We will find the HCF of these numbers. In this problem, we will find HCF of 75 kg and 69 kg. Taking prime factors of 75. First of all, we will divide by 5. 1 time, 5 times. Now 5, 3, 3, 1. Then 69, 3, 2, 3. 23 is a prime number. So factors of 75 is 3 into 5 into 5. Factors of 69 is 3 into 23. 3 into 23. The common factor is 3. HCF is 3 kg. The maximum value of weight is 3 kg, which can measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of time. The maximum value of weight is 3 kg, which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact numbers of time. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 2. 3 boys step up together from the same spot. There are 3 boys. Name is A, B and C. Their step measure 63 centimeter, then 70 centimeter and then 77 centimeter. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete step? This is the first step. In second step, this will be 63. In the second step, this will be 70. In the second step, this will be 77. These steps are not at same position. Now in third step 63, in third step this is 70, this is 77. These steps are not at same position. These steps are also not at same position. Now 63, 70, 77 and so on. This is the question. What will be a distance when the 3-1 comes at same position? The distance is this. How to attend the question? The question says minimum. Minimum means LCM. We will take LCM. In this problem, we will take LCM of 63, 70 and 77. Now find factors of them. Factors of 63. First of all 3, 2, 1, 3, 7, 7, 1. Find the factor of 70. 5, 1 and 4, 2, 7, 7, 1. Find the factors of 77. 7, 11, 11, 1. Now 63 can written as 3 into 3 into 7. 70 can written as 2 into 5 into 7. Now 77 can written as 7 into 11. LCM. First of all, we will take the common of these 3. This is 7. Now take common in 2. There are no any pair of common factor, so we will return a single factor. First of all, we will take common in 3. 7 is selected. Now take common in 2. There are no common factor in 2, so we will take the factor in single time. 3, 3, 2, 5, 11. Now LCM is 7 into 2, 14. This is 6. 6, sorry, this is over 9. 9 into 5 into 11 is 55. Now LCM is 14 into 9, 126, then 55. We will multiply this. 126 multiply 55, 30, 10, 13, 6, no, 036, 0396. The LCM is 6930 centimeter. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 3. The length, breadth and height of a room is 825, 675 and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape. Find the longest tape which can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly. We use a small tape for measure the dimension of these. The tape will be longest, highest is HCF. So we will take HCF of these numbers. For this problem, we will take HCF of 825, 675, 450. First of all, find the factors of 825. First of all, we will divide by 5. 1 time 332, 6 time 25, 5. Now again dividing by 5. 3 time, then 3 time 3, 11, 1. These are the prime factors. Now taking 675. First of all, we will divide by 5. 1 time 17, 3 time 25, 5 time. Now dividing by 5. 2 time 7 time. Now dividing by 3, 9, 3, 1. These are the prime factors. Now 450. First of all, divide by 2. 2 time, 5 time. Now dividing by 5. 4 time, 5 time. Dividing by 5. 9 time. 3, 1. These are the factors. Now writing these factors. 825 is 3, 5, 5, 11. 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. Now 675 is 3, 3, 3, 5, 5. 3 into 3 into 3, then 5 into 5. Now 450. 2, 3, 3, 5, 5. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now taking HCF. The common factor in these three. First of all, the common is 3. Now 5, 5, 5. 5. Then again 5, 5, 5. 5, 5 and 5. 11 is not here. So the common factors in these three is 3, then 5, 5, 5, then 555. So HCF is this. 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 3, 75. The HCF is 75. So we use a 75 centimeter tape to measure these dimensions. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question.